Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to the English class. Today in this session we are going to learn a new topic, use of articles a and an. This is a new topic. I hope all are safe at home with your family. Yes, we can start. Yes, use of articles a and an. Use of articles a and an. Yes, see, in English alphabet, how many letters are there? Yes, 26 letters. And we all know which are the vowels. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. We learned all the vowel sound letters. Vowels are A, E, yes, all say with me. A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters are consonant letters. Okay. Yes. But how we will use the articles a and an? If a word begins with a vowel sound, we have to put the article an. अभी एक word vowel sound से start किया है तो हमको क्या डालना है an. And if the word begins with a consonant sound, we have to put the article a. अभी कोई भी word consonant sound से start किया है तो हमको क्या डालना है a. And if the word begins with vowel sound, we have to put the article an. ठीक है, एक word start किया उसके first letter को देखना है. ओ vowel sound है, then we have to put an, and if it is a consonant sound, we have to put a. See some examples. Yes, what is this? Rat. What is this? Rat. Yes, all say rat. Yes, R-A-T, rat. Yes, the word rat begins with which sound? Vowel sound है, consonant sound है? Yes, consonant sound. R है ना, consonant sound. So, what we have to put here? Which article will be used here? A. Are you clear now? Rat. A rat. When we will read, we have to read as a rat. Okay? Yes. See the next example. What is this? Apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So this word begins with what sound? Vowel sound है, consonant sound है, vowel है, consonant है, vowel है ना ये. So we have to put what? An apple. समझ में आई बेटा सबको? An apple, because the word begins with what sound? Vowel sound. Yes? Yes. Now see the next example. Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. See the first letter U. So say the spelling U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. So the first letter begins with which sound? Vowel sound. So which article will come here? A or an? Yes, an umbrella. Are you clear now? An umbrella. We have to see the first letter. If it is a vowel sound, we have to put an. And if it is a consonant sound, we have to put what? A. Umbrella is a vowel sound, so we have to put what? An umbrella. See the next one. Swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. So S is a which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Consonant sound. So what will come here? A. Swing. A. What will come here? A swing. When we read, we have to read as a swing. Okay, because A makes the sound a. Are you clear now? Yes. We can see the next example. You have to answer, okay? Yes. What is this? Ball. Yes. What will come here? A ball आएगा, and ball आएगा. Ball. B is a consonant sound. So what will come here? Yes. A आएगा, क्या आएगा इधर? ये a ball. इधर and नहीं डालना A, because ball is a consonant sound. B. Yes. Next, what is this? Tree. T. It is a vowel sound or consonant sound? Yes, consonant sound. So what will come here? A tree or an tree? A tree. A आएगी. समझ में आई सबको? A tree. Then see the next example. Inkpot. Inkpot, I-N-K-P-O-T, inkpot. So first sound is vowel sound or consonant sound? Vowel sound. So we have to put what? An inkpot. Are you clear now? An inkpot. It is a vowel sound, so we have to put what? An inkpot. Yes. See the next example. What is this? Egg. E-double-G, egg. So what will come here? An or A? An egg. Why? Egg. E is a vowel sound, so we have to put what? An egg. What we have to put? An egg. Now clear all beta? See the next example. What is this? flower, flower. So flower begins with which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Flower, F. Yes, consonant sound. So rose. Which flower is this? Rose flower. So a rose. A. क्या आएगी इधर? A. Okay. Then next picture, octopus, octopus, O. So O is a vowel sound or consonant sound? O is a vowel sound. So what will come here? An octopus. Now I think all are clear now. An octopus. Yes. What is this? Ant. A-N-T, ant. So, ant, A is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. So, we had to put what? An ant. An ant. Yes, are you clear now? If it is a vowel sound, we had to put A, an. And if it is a consonant sound, we had to put what? A. Yes, what is this? Tortoise, tortoise. Tortoise, say, first letter, it is a consonant sound, no? Tortoise. So, we had to put what? A tortoise. A. T is a consonant sound. So, we have to put what? A. Now, are you clear all? Yes. Now, see the next example. What is this? Frog. Frog. Say, now read the word frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Yes, it is a consonant sound. So, we have to put what? A frog. What will come here? A frog. A. Yes. What is this? Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. So, first letter is vowel sound. So, we have to put what? An elephant. An elephant. I think all are clear now. If a word begins with vowel sound, we have to put an. And if a word begins with consonant sound, we have to put what? A. Yes. Now, fill this blank. Owl. Dash owl. A owl or an owl? Yes, an owl. Because O is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. O-W-L. And O is a vowel sound. So, we have to first letter को देखना है. First letter vowel sound है तो हमको क्या डालना है? An. Then, second one, flower. Dash flower. What is this? What will come here? A or an? Yes, all say yes. A. A flower. Why? Because F is a consonant sound. F first letter को देखो F. Consonant sound है. So, we have to put what? A. Yes, next one. Dash cloud. First letter C. So, क्या आएगी? A or an? क्या आएगी इधर? A. Very good. A. A cloud. Because C is a consonant sound. So, we have to put what? A. See next one. Dash aeroplane. What will come here? See the first letter? A. So, which article will come here? A or an? An aeroplane. What will come here? An aeroplane. Yes. See the last picture. Last example. Earn. U-R-N. Earn. U-R-N. Earn. So, which article will come here? You know. An. Earn. Because U is a vowel sound. U. U makes a sound. Earn. So, we have to put what? An. Earn. As I think all are clear with what articles A and an. If a word begins with a vowel sound, we have to put an. And if a word begins with a consonant sound, we have to put what?
Our English notebook. Open the new page. Take the new page. In last session, we had written sight words. And today, yes, all take out the new page and put today's date, 24th October 2020. And this is our classwork only, okay? This is our classwork. Yes. Here in the first line, you put the heading. Put P capital, U, T. Put, leave some space. Correct, C, O, double R, E, C, T. Correct. Article, A, R, T, I, C, L, E. Correct article. A bar an. So what we had learned, articles A and an, and we are going to write exercise. We are going to write correct article for the given word. Okay. Yes. Today finished all. Leave the second line. Leave this line. You have to underline here. Okay. Then here you put number 1. Put number 1 written on. Yes. Here dash. Write dash. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now you write you put only dash. We can fill the blank afterwards. Okay. After completing all, we can fill the blank. Yes. Dash cat. Finished. Then number 2. Dash egg. E. Yes. You know the spelling. E-double-G. Egg. Dash egg. Finished. Then number 3. Dash axe. A-X-E. A-X-E. Axe. Dash axe. Finished. Then number 4. Dash ball. B-A-double-L. B-A-double-L. Ball. Finished. Then number 5. Dash earn. U-R-N. Earn. Then number 6. Dash bag. B-A-G. Bag. Finished. Number 7. Dash insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. Finished. Then number 8. Dash orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Finished all till 8? Okay. Now we can put the correct article a and an. Okay. Yes. You have to write here. You have to say the answer. Yes. First one. Dash cat. Yes. What will come here? A or an? क्या आएगी इधर? See the first letter. Cat. K. Sound is consonant sound. So what will come here? A cat. Okay. Cat. Okay. Then next one. Dash egg. Egg. So which article will come here? A or an? कौन सी article आएगी? Egg or an egg? An. E. No. So vowel. So what will come here? An egg. An egg. Vowel है. Vowel sound है. So what will come here? An egg. Then next one. Dash axe. Yes. You say the answer. What will come here? An axe or a axe? An axe. See, axe. First sound is vowel sound. So what will come here? An axe. Okay. Then next one, fourth one. Dash ball. Yes. See the first letter, first sound, ball. B. Consonant sound. So what will come here? A ball. A ball. A. A ball. Then next one. Dash earn. So which sound? Which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Vowel sound. U. Vowel sound. No. Earn. So what will come here? An earn. An earn. A-N. An earn. Okay. Then next one. Dash bag. Bag. So bag. Which sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Consonant sound. Which sound? Which sound? Consonant sound. So what will come here? A bag. A. Okay. A bag. A or an? A. Okay. Then next one, seventh one. Dash insect. Insect. So see the first sound E. I. Insect. So vowel sound. So which article will come here? A or an? An. An insect. Very good. An insect. An insect. Then last one. Dash orange. Dash orange. See the first sound. Vowel sound or consonant sound? O. Orange. S. Vowel sound. So what will come here? An insect. Very good. An insect. Sorry, an orange. An orange. Yes. I think all can able to put the correct article a or an for any words. Yes, yes, beta. Are you clear? If it is a vowel sound, means A, E, I, O, U, we have to see the first letter of a word. And if it is a vowel sound, we have to put what? An. And in the word, if it is a first letter is a consonant sound. If vowel के अलावा कौन सी है? Consonant है. Other than vowel, all other letters are consonant. And if it is a consonant sound, we have to put what? A. ठीक है? अभी vowel है तो हमको क्या डालना है? And डालना है. Vowel नहीं है, consonant है तो हमको क्या डालना है? A डालना है. Okay? So a cat, an egg. E है ना? E आई इसलिए an egg. Then an axe. First letter A. Vowel है इसलिए क्या डालना है? An. Then a ball. A क्यों डाला हमने? B. B. ये vowel नहीं है ना? Vowel है तो हमको क्या डालना है? An. Vowel नहीं है तो A. See, so which are the vowels you know? A, E, I, O, U. Yes. An. क्यों? U. It is a vowel sound. So we have to put what? An. Then a bag. Why A डाला हमने? Bag. It is not a vowel. Vowel नहीं है तो हम क्या डालना है? A. Then an insect, because the first letter is vowel. Insect. E. Vowel sound. So we have to put what? An insect. Then orange. First letter is vowel sound. So we have to put what? An. Yes. I am giving you homework also. You have to write the homework and you have to complete it and you have to show in the next class. Okay? Yes. See, in the next page, you put today's date, 24 October 2020, and here you put HW homework. Here also, what you have to write? Put correct article, put correct CORRECT, correct article ARTICLE. Put correct article A or an. Okay? Yes. Here also leave the second line. The number 1. Yes. Dash and A-N-T and. Answer I will not give you now. You have to write the correct answer. Okay? ये answer किसको लिखना है? आपको लिखना है. टीचर अभी नहीं दूंगी आंसर. आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट क्लास में टीचर को बताना. ओके. द नंबर 2. डैश. ए मम्मी से नहीं बोलना, आप लिखना. ठीक है? यू हैव टू ट्राई. डैश फ्रॉग. FROG. फ्रॉग. Finished all. First one dash and second one dash frog. FROG, frog. Then number 3. Dash rose. ROSE, rose. Number 4. Dash ox. OX, ox. OX, ox. Then number 5. Dash umbrella. UMBRELLA. धीरे धीरे लिख देना. ठीक है? UMBRELLA. umbrella. Then number 6. dash mug, MUG, mug. Number 7 dash eagle, EAGLE, eagle. Number 8 dash pan, PAN, pan. Okay, yes, listen here. First one dash ant, second one dash frog, third one dash rose, fourth one dash ox, fifth one dash umbrella, sixth one dash mug, seventh one dash eagle, eighth one dash pen. Yes, do your homework. We can see the next topic in the next session. Till then, bye bye.